Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Starbucks app. First, open the Starbucks app and make sure you're logged in. Go to your profile and look for Starbucks card. Tap refund and unused balance. Check your Starbucks card number and verify the unused balance shown. If asked, enter your card details or PIN to confirm. Tap Submit or Confirm to process the refund. And that's it. Starbucks will process your refund within a few business days. You'll get a confirmation through email or in the app once it's complete. Note, if you need a refund for a mobile order, merchandise, or a physical card purchase, you may need to cancel the order in the app if it hasn't been prepared yet, or contact Starbucks customer service for assistance. And that's it. That's how to get a refund on Starbucks app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.